Can you believe this is not real marble? In today's video, I'm going to show you my signature technique for creating a luxury polished abstract art wall. And the best part? No expensive Venetian trowels needed, just standard putty knives and 16 years of experience. Ready to see how it's done? Let's go. First, we apply a primer paint with a fine quartz filler. This ensures perfect adhesion between the surface and the Venetian plaster. Step 2 is applying 2 layers of Venetian plaster. This creates our solid base coat. Now, the process gets much more exciting. The material is divided into batches and tinted. Then, the pattern creation begins. Working over our prepared white base, using a standard 35cm putty knife and a small spatula, I have complete freedom to control the design. Notice how I blend the emerald green, white, and golden ochre directly on the wall? It's just like painting on a giant canvas. Layer by layer, this abstract texture comes alive. Right now, the surface looks a bit rough and uneven, right? That's where the orbital sander comes in. This step is absolutely crucial. I'm carefully sanding down all the bumps, leveling the colors, and smoothing out the entire texture. Right now, the wall looks matte, but just wait for the next step. And now the real secret to that insane mirror finish: dry polishing. Instead of traditional burnishing, I use an angle grinder with sandpaper to polish the surface completely dry. No water, no extra chemicals, just pure mechanical friction. Can you see that deep shine starting to appear? Before the final touch, I wipe away every single speck of dust. Then I apply a thin layer of protective wax using a clean spatula. And for the grand finale, a soft sheepskin pad on the grinder. This brings out a luxurious, glossy reflection that is incredibly satisfying to watch. Look at this ultimate transformation, a completely unique high-gloss abstract art wall. What do you think of this emerald and gold color combination? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this satisfying process, hit that like button, subscribe to Yanchenko Art, and I'll see you in the next DIY project.